Welcome to Day Trader Dudes. That's D with day with a D, and not anything with a G. So we'd like to welcome you. I just stepped in and did this because Eric always does it, so I just thought I'd preempt him tonight. Uh, Last night we had an awesome night. We won 4 straight trades in a row. Will we have that same luck tonight? Time will tell. But yeah. But I guess before we do anything, let's go ahead and roll the intro, get it out of the way.
Man, you're so like
Eager to start. Yes, I
just
am.
get it done.
Okay. Now, just to state the rules, we are trading in a 60 martingale over a period of days. If we lose a trade, we only get 1 loss per night, and that's it. Um, so we will try to take the best trade that we can get. Um, Holy cow! Look at, I mean, I don't know that this might be kind of burned, but just out of curiosity, take a quick look at odd NZD.
Charts might. Oh wow.
It's
No,
like in a
that's.
box, but it looks like it's gonna
I don't think
go
that's burned, dude.
somewhere.
I think that's
It's either primed and ready to take off somewhere.
mm, I think it's gonna go down from here. Look at that big green 10-minute candle, and then it's been sort of heading back down, but it is at a level right now. So let's just watch and see
I
what
need to
happens.
know the trade amount. Eric is the timekeeper. He's the chart keeper.
Let's see
I
here.
think I got 2046 in the thing, but I think you made it round. So
Yeah. Let's see. I gotta open the chart. It'll be 20. Well, we're on a win, right? Crap.
yes,
What
this is a
happened?
first trade. So
So on the level we're at is 2065.
okay, $20.65, twenty point
All
six
right, so I'm
five.
going to keep this up in case we find a waterfall. This could be one. Oh, well, it went back up.
Well, it decided to go
But
up, but I don't know how far it's going to go. Now that
but
it
this
did.
is a yeah, this is
I
kind of a
expected it to go down.
right. Well, it might still. It is sort of going down, I think. Yeah, this could be a waterfall because that's the 30-minute look, dude. It's struggling at that level. If it breaks down, it could retrace that whole 30-minute green candle.
Hmm.
Let me look for some levels and see what this looks like in levels.
Holy
See,
cow, that's the 30-minute.
that's a 30-minute. This is an hour level.
That is a
This is the hours.
massive
So
one.
yeah, this is a massive hour uptrend, but this is a 10-minute candle. See, that's a 10-minute candle. See, it's in this massive uptrend. I think this could be, dude. This could be a big waterfall. Not that we could get as lucky as we did last night, but like
Well, you never
I guess
know.
this
From
is the
this high up, maybe.
yeah. It's pretty high up.
It's moving very slow, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, and that's the trend, right? See, that's the trend line. So it'd have to almost to really confirm it. Maybe it could go back down to that trend line though. I mean, it could be if it breaks this line right here, it could, but it's moving. Yeah, it is moving really slow. It's moving like eerily slow. It's just barely going anywhere.
Right.
So we'd have to say if it cuts below this one, which is really not a 10-minute level. This is just an opportunity level. This is just it's in a box. It's in a little tiny
Yeah.
box.
So let's mark
And
that one.
I'll mark that one like right here in case it gets down. We think it's going to waterfall.
Odd USD, that's another one to look at. It's at
Odd
the 50
USD.
line. It's at the 50 RSI line and hit the bottom of the channel. Now it's kind of
Oh
going
wow.
back up, but I don't know if it's gonna break that, because if it
This one
does,
could break.
it's been in a big climb up. So
Yeah. This one's got some. Yeah, that's a great trend line, dude. You just found. So let's see if we can mark that in Odd NZD. Oh crap, Odd NZD I was already breaking. It's okay. It's touching the line again. Hold on. What were we on Odd USD just now?
yeah.
Uh,
Oh, I see it. I say, you think it's touching that line again, but it's touched it
yeah.
like 100 times.
Well, we just need to watch and see if it really goes. If it really goes, because
Hmm.
Odd USD is doing the same thing. It hit the line, it bounced back up. in 10 minutes, I think this one's dangerous. This one's crazy, dude. This could waterfall, but it's
What do you
been doing
want?
a
I
little
don't know, odd
odd
USD.
USD. It kind of broke underneath the trend line, but I don't think it's really there yet. I don't know, man. It feels like it can consolidate here, but it is going down. I mean, but it already kind of retraced. It kind of hit the line and retraced. So
Okay, well
this
let's
is
look
just
at.
kind of this is my strategy though. We're doing trend line strategy now. I guess we're looking for a
We're
waterfall.
looking
This
for a
one,
big breakaway, like something that's
yeah.
going to run away.
I think I think
Either a stair step or a waterfall.
I think if this breaks under this line right here and goes past the white line, it probably could go down. I'm gonna mark this like it is, like we think it's
There's
gonna
another
go.
line just below. There's a lot of lines in there. There's a lower one just
Right.
below it. At the
Like
top
I
of
don't
that
know that
red
it's gonna be
candle.
super smooth. Maybe it'll go down to here. I
No,
just
look
don't know. This one doesn't seem. Let's
at
look at
that
the other one.
line just a little bit below there, but
Yeah, this is trying to. Okay, down here, and then there's another one here. There's another
right
one
there.
here.
Yeah,
Right.
that's it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's several lines,
Yeah,
and it could
but
go
this is
around
where
with
it's
it.
trying to get. It's trying to get below this one first. I guess it could go to here. It could go. I mean, these are all like little lines. What do they look like in the bigger frames, though? What do they look like in tens? Yeah, I guess that's more of a line right here. This is a bigger line in the 10. This one's not really. I guess this. Yeah, that one is too. They're all kind of lines. So I'm not sure. This one is obviously been kind of consolidating. It hasn't had any like major pushes.
Okay, look at odd USD real quick.
I'm looking at it.
Okay, look at where it's at. That's what you were on. Okay, I didn't know if you were jumping around. So looks like it could be about to. Now it's on a white line. I mean,
I don't trust the white line right now.
I don't either, and especially because
it kind of is a waterfall, but it's been back and forth, and it's got all these little micro levels.
It's there's a level there. That's what scares me, is that it could pull back, and it is.
Look, it pulled back. Yeah. Like it could be going, but I just don't know because there's so many micro lines that it's probably going to chop itself down. Like it's going to be pretty choppy. I think it's going to be choppy.
That's what I'm worried about, because it's moving very slow. It's not. I'm going to look at a few other charts.
Yeah, I'm going to keep my eye on these while I'm going to mark some levels.
Euro RUB is kind of doing the exact same thing.
Now it's a lot earlier than we used to trade, so I mean we're kind of trading in an odd time. We can just come back at 10:30 if you want.
No, that's all right. We can win it now.
I have won a lot of trades at this time. Like, well, no, not 8:30. It's probably choppy, but we can just keep looking. We'll find something. We'll find something that looks right. Probably.
We have a 50-50 chance just by probability, because there's only two colors on this chart.
Okay, this one I think might be it, dude. This one could be it. Okay.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at Euro RUB, and this is a pretty strong upward trend line. Like in the 1 minute.
Look at SARCNY real quick, like right now.
SARCNY?
Yeah, look at it right now. Okay. It's at a kind of a decision point. RSI touch, bottom of a line.
No, this one's, in 10 minutes it doesn't look. No, this is super dangerous, dude.
Okay.
Unless you're just wanting to, gamble on a pullback.
Well, no, not necessarily a pullback. I don't know if it's going to break it.
Yeah, in the 10 minute, it's real choppy. In the 10 minute, it looks like
look at the size of the red candle right now.
Right, I know, but look at the 10-minute candle. Look, that's a big 10-minute red candle, and it's
also
levels.
A wick.
It's at a wick. It's breaking levels though, and it's going down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do you think it's going to waterfall?
From here, yeah. Well, that level, that level's pretty strong.
But see, it's now hitting another level. There are a lot of micro levels there.
Yeah, well, because it's sitting on this big level right here in the 10 minutes. It's sitting kind of. Yeah, it could retract any time because of all these levels. I just don't know that it's like a full out waterfall. I mean, it could be. This one right here looks more promising to me because it's setting up in a channel. It's at the bottom of a channel. If it breaks this, and if I look at the 10 minute, it looks like it could go down. See, it's been going up, but it could go down back down to here.
Mm-hmm.
This could be a waterfall back down to like this level, or I don't know. There's a lot of levels in these charts, but in the last 10-minute level, we have this would be like this would be something I would think it would do. 5 minutes. Yeah, if it breaks down if it breaks this, it's probably going to go down to there. Okay, so I'm going to put my thought process. Some part of this is good because the thought process is it shows you like, okay, it could, we're getting the idea of what these charts are doing. This one's not wanting to break that. I think it could. Let's set an alarm on it if it does go down and break it. SARC and Y, it doesn't matter. It's at 78, so I'm going to close it. Odd NZD crap is at 66. I'm going to close that. Odd USD. Oh man, crap. Odd USD. Okay, Odd USD is water. Odd USD is that one that had a bunch of levels though, but it is doing what we thought. It is going down. It broke the
right,
broke
but
the channel.
right now, currently, it's sitting on top of that line.
Yeah, it's kind of like stuck there. So, and it's got another one. It's got two. It seems like it has too many little lines that it could go to.
Look how small the candles are. It's not pushing through it real hard. It's
right.
kind
It's
of
just
sitting there,
sitting
going
there.
sideways.
Yeah, it's just going sideways. Now this level down here, if it got down here, it could turn around. But I think it might be like in the 5 minute. This looks like it's going down for sure. Like I just don't know. It's on levels. It's still
What are you
on
looking
levels. On the same chart, I'm just looking at different time frames. It's like, yeah, it's at the bottom of a big red candle. It could retrace that easily. But okay, so then again though, if it keeps going though, I don't know, because it's kind of broken and this one's not reliable because of so many levels. Again, it's got too many levels. Oh, this one's this one's going back up. Dang it. This one didn't do what I thought it was gonna do.
KES USD. It's at like some massive levels, but it's also about to hit a point where it could break. If you look at it, you'll see what I mean.
What is it?
KES USD.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you've already got that boxed out?
Yeah, this is what I was looking at before you got in here. This is a box here. It's kind of going to the bottom. It could get to the bottom of this box and turn around.
It could.
But like in terms of the 5 minute, yeah, this one's I don't know. This one's already kind of made a big move off the trend, but this bottom line is strong where it boxed out. Let's see. Yeah, if it breaks the bottom of this box here where it was earlier and it couldn't, it could go like really hardcore down there.
Look at OMR CNY. This one's kind of climbing up, but slowly. All these charts.
Wait, go back to KES USD. It's about to hit this big. Big line. I mean, I'm like just now getting the analyst.
I'm like a squirrel tonight.
You're like a squirrel, dude. You need to slow down because this one is moving slowly.
It's moving very slow, but it is.
It's moving towards that line.
How to hit that line?
Now, I mean, I don't know, man. See that big green candle up there about 6 candles ago? It had a big, huge candle. That's bigger than the other candles. It's moving slow, and then all of a sudden it jumped up, and then it pushed down. I think this is going to go down from here. I think it's going to go down. But again, that's just we don't know. It needs to break through. It needs to break through. So I'm setting an alarm.
Break through. That's pushing up hard now. That's moving far faster upward than it ever did down.
No, it didn't, because look, it's got this big green candle here. It went down, boom, and then it went down, boom.
That's what I'm saying. Right now, it's pushing up hard.
Yeah.
But yes, it could do what that candle did. It could just tank back.
Yeah, I just don't know, because that's a strong level. This is a massive level down here.
Well, that whole thing is a big mess of just sideways nonsense right there.
Yeah, it's a set, and this is really where it's at. This is where it's at. So it's in the box. You know, likely if we know what's going on here, it's going to stay in that box a while. It's probably just bounce back and forth. You know, because it was in this box earlier forever. Look how forever it was in there. I mean, it's been in that box. Look, it's been in that box forever.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure that it's going to, you know, in fact, if it got to the top of this box.
Hey, Alex, what's up? We're on here a little bit earlier than normal.
If it gets to the top of this box, you can almost put it for like 3 or 4 minutes and it probably
No,
go back
that's
down.
not our style, man. That ain't our.
Yeah, that's not our style, but that's that's really what would happen because it's been in that box forever. It pumped out of it and it's back in it. But you when you're trading like that in a box, you're really just you are just kind of guessing that it's going to keep doing that. There's really not super confirmation there.
Okay. Go to USD CHF. This has been in a big climb. It's possibly the RSI is already up there, but it looks like it could hit the top of a massive level.
Okay, well, let me see what you're saying, but let me see where. Oh yeah, okay. This is a level right here, the massive level.
Investigate that, yeah.
It's a massive level in 10-minute right there. It's got a little bit further to go up here. That's the bigger level, but no, it's a pretty good. That's a double top, so it could. Yeah, dude, if it breaks this black line up there, then I think it could go up to that second black line that I just drew.
Yeah.
This is really just the 10 minutes, just like a double top. It's like boom, boom. It would be a triple top actually. I'm not sure if that means it's going up or down. I don't really trade double, triple tops, but I mean that's just it's hit this level twice. Further back, it's hit this level. It is in an uptrend, so see if I can get my chart open for Alejandro.
We're getting a couple of pullback candles now, but I'm wondering if it's gonna go back up from here, like go up a couple more.
Well, what I would do is wait till it breaks this top black line and then just take a call or two until as it goes up, because I think it's kind of I'm gonna mark these candle areas around here. Oh, cool. He's gonna stream his thing.
You're gonna stream in 30 minutes. That's cool.
Yeah, this one right here could. I think this is a climb. But I just don't know. I'm gonna keep watching it. I set a level. Oh man, dude, that one's crazy. Okay, this one could be a waterfall here. Okay, I'm gonna look at this one. This one could be a promising waterfall, dude, because it's got the yeah. Crap. Go to Euro RUB. This is pretty freaking confirmed. If it hits this, I don't know if we would want to trade on it until it. See how it tried to break the blue trend line on the bottom and it didn't. It played right here.
Yeah.
Okay, this next black line up here is a really strong level. Look how strong this level is back here. It's got all of that. So if it goes up, because it tried to go down, but it didn't, right? Yeah. So if it gets up to that black line and doesn't break it, we could probably waterfall this sucker all the way down.
Because it's probably just going to crash.
Yeah, because I thought it was going to crash right here. It wanted to, but it didn't. It fought it and it shot up, but this is its next level. So if it breaks either this little area or if it goes up and touches that area, I think we'll have basically moments where we're going to pull back.
Unless it's doing its relief right now and then.
Yeah, but that it can relief all at once. But look at how high.
Well, I don't know if it's. We don't know if it's gonna crap out before it gets there.
Look at that. That's a 30-minute time frame. It hasn't been able to get above that. So it's been up.
Has it already touched it in 30 minutes?
No, that's what I'm saying.
I didn't think so. Yeah, it hasn't.
It's close. It's close. It's getting up there. So like another candle, that's 30 minutes though. But it could take
a little bit of climb yet.
It could take a little while to get up there. But when it does, let's say when it gets back up to here, we need to watch it. I'm setting alarms on this one because although it. Technically it might have already done it though. It doesn't have to always touch it. It might just be high enough.
Right.
If it breaks this blue line right now, then we can, my method would be like, okay, it breaks the trend line. If it doesn't consolidate, then it might waterfall. It might hit this trend line and just go all the way down to there or down to here. It might go down to here or there. I don't know. I'll just watch this one because it's getting ready to break.
Well, right now it's about to touch the bottom of the channel again.
Yeah. All right. It's actually touching the trend line right now.
What'd you just get an alert for? I saw that.
Oh, did I? Oh, crap.
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Hold on. It's one of these three that I was looking at. Probably this one. It broke. Oh wow, dude!
It broke out of the box.
It broke. Yeah, but it's not going in the right direction. This one might. This is the one I got an alert for. UCHF 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, look, it's going up to that
What is it again?
USD CHF.
Is it
trying to get up.
92% or what is it at?
It's at 92. It's trying to USD CHF. It's trying to get up to that black line. Okay, it's going up there now.
Find it. USD
CHF. It's like now. I mean, it's like on it now. You were gonna miss this one.
Okay, I'm there. Okay, so what do you want to do? Take a put here?
Well, if we think it's gonna, yeah, if it well, it kind of already this candle right here pushed up really hard. I don't know because I don't,
But is it gonna break it? Do we want to call it or put
it? It's possible.
That's the third time it's hit it.
Yeah, that's why I think it's gonna break it. It could break it, you know what I mean? But now it went up there, didn't quite touch it yet. It almost did.
But it collapsed.
But it collapsed. But now, if it starts heading back up there, we can almost assume that it's gonna.
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna touch it.
Wow, dude. Yeah, that fell hard. That's
yeah.
hard. Well, okay, so let's watch this. Maybe it goes to the bottom of this channel. Let me draw the channel because maybe it's going down. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's turning around. Maybe this is it. This is the blue channel. Maybe it breaks this and just tanks, right? Because it hit that top. That's a huge level it hit up there. Okay, yeah, it's got a big level.
Possibly, but when it touches the bottom of the channel, it's likely going to pull back a couple of candles and then keep going if it goes.
Yeah, well, yeah, it depends because right now
it ain't going to be a straight like 30 red candles from there.
It could. Well, yeah, it's either way. On these channel breaks, dude, it just depends. Sometimes they break the channel and they just go. Sometimes they definitely retest. Right now, it's touching the channel. It's kind of an iffy thing to me. But now we'll watch this play.
I mean, everything's kind of outside. It's kind of been outside the channel.
No, not look at my blue line. It's right on this dead on this blue line right now. It's touched this blue line 1, 2, 3.
Right, I'm talking about the Keltner.
Oh yeah. The Keltner's not now it's.
All right, now it's at the bottom of the channel of the line.
It's broken. It broke the trend line. It broke the trend line. Yeah, this trend line's been broken. But it's got some strong levels right here that wicked up. It's not like, to me, it's not like a perfect channel because of all the wicks on the bottom of these 5-minute candles.
Yeah.
The 10-minute candle could easily wick up. This could easily go either way. It would have to be if we pretended that we took a put at the end of this candle. Here's your pullback. It's risky to me because it's not waterfalling yet. It's got a lot of levels.
No, it ain't even close, and it's moving kind of slow.
Yeah, it's at the bottom.
I mean, it literally just pulled back for 2 candles, and now it's got a green, and then.
Yeah, but that was it. It broke the channel, closed outside, went up, retested the channel. Now it could tank. But there's levels everywhere. That's.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm just trying to make something look right because look at this thing. This is like boop 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 boop. Like it's in that area where it's just been doing that. So I don't know this one. This one is a channel break. It's a retest. It's a perfect entry if you're doing Forex or like a longer trade, like a 5-minute trade. It would be a good entry, I think. But it's got a white line it's going to come to. Yeah, it's more of my strategy. Okay, this is Euro RUB is doing the same thing. Dude, yeah, I think Euro RUB is going to break this channel and it's going to go down. And Euro RUB,
it's like on the white line almost.
Yeah, it's almost on the white line, but it's at the bottom.
Well, here's the deal. If you look at the RSI, it's been hitting the 50 line and going back up and then coming back down to the 50 line. Hasn't really dropped below the 50 line much.
Yeah, but that's because it's been in a channel.
Which means it's probably about due to actually just drop.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so if it breaks this, see, it did this before. Look, it played here, then went up. Now it's playing here. Yeah, it's going to have to break this channel, and we don't really have a confirmation on that either. I mean, where we won the other night was it getting to levels and breaking levels. Right now,
and it was a black line. It was a
we're not really used to trading on. See, because this one did the same thing. It hit that, it broke it, but then it just kind of it's still playing around. That's the thing about these channels at night, dude. it breaks the channel, then it just goes straight into consolidation. Like in
Right.
the daytime, it breaks the channel and it just goes. It just shoots down. Like it's almost like it's a great method for like 7 o'clock in the
Well,
morning.
we're also not moving very fast right now. I
No,
mean,
we're not moving. Nothing's moving very fast. Everything's in sort of consolidation. We can just come back in a couple hours because right now, you know, it's getting up to black lines, but it's not doing. There's no jumpiness in the charts right now. They're kind of flowing, but they're not. The problem is they're consolidating.
well,
At different points.
look at CHF JPY. Look at that. There's a lot of consistency. I mean, it just came off a big long line of red candles,
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
and now
Well,
it's going straight back up.
right. I mean that's a pretty strong trend line. It broke it there and return, broke it there, return. Let me look at 10 minutes because this might be okay. Yeah, this one is another one that would look. This is another one that I think, you know, like realistically, it's probably going to be a good call from here, but not like a 1 minute because I don't know where the stop point is. See, like, I mean, I guess you'd just be guessing about a bounce on consolidation right here. This could go either way from this trend line. This isn't how we've been trading, so yeah, this is how I trade though. I'd wait for it to break down, and then I would take like a 2-minute put, but don't do that.
No, I'm not going to do that. You don't have to worry.
What does Todd's gut say?
My gut said I'm just looking at charts till I think I'll know when I find the right one. OMR CNY is climbing a lot. I mean, like, look at where it's at.
OMR CNY?
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to do? It's at a massive line.
Right. It's either going to break it.
I guess, yeah, if it breaks it. The problem with the problem tonight is it's when it rejects, it's rejecting a little early, and then it's kind of just slowly turning around. It's not like just shooting down off there. So that's the top line there in the 10-minute. This is like another line in 10-minute. This is another line in 10-minute. Right here, it broke there.
What does your 10-minute analysis say?
There's 3 lines. It broke through one of them already. It's heading up to another one. In fact, when this candle ends, you could probably call it because it did break that line. It broke that bottom 10-minute line. So even if it pulls back like this would be nice if this ended red. And then you could call it.
What if it ends green?
Probably call it. Unless it's a tiny little doji. I'd call it. Well, this would be one I'd call because I think it's going up.
All right, you want this to be the trade? We got 10 seconds.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's going up. So yeah, no matter what happens, I think it's going up.
All right, we'll find out. We're in. So this was your baby here. So we'll see what it does.
Well, you found this one. It broke the
Found it.
10-minute. It broke this 10-minute level, which was pretty strong down here.
We're gonna see if you're right.
It's got a ton.
So far, I'm watching it in 10 seconds. So far, it looks like you could be right. I mean,
so far, I think that little red
look
part
at
was
10
just
seconds.
a little.
Look at 10 seconds. It came up with a big line. Crap, it's crashing with a big line too.
No, it's okay. I think what's happening is kind of consolidating, but it already broke through the 10-minute line. It broke through a top. It consolidated right here, and then it broke over it. So what do we got? 17 seconds. I do think this candle will end green, unless it crashes. But I think it's going up still. Like overall, I don't think this chart's returning. I think it's going to go up. Now it's burned.
Now, whoa, that was a big jump down. Well, that was your guess. We'll see you tomorrow night.
I don't know, dude. Yeah, that was just basically based on a 10-minute,
We kind of jumped into it though. After all those minutes of analysis, like, I think we could probably call this. I had a feeling probably wasn't going up.
Well, then why'd you take that trade? I don't care. I'm just saying I think it's going up, and I do think it's going up.
I want a guitar man who's.
I think this trade's going up.
Guitar to.
I think this trade's going up. Look at it; it's still going up.
Well, that don't matter. We
I know, but What I'm saying is I don't think this is a turnaround right here. I think this is a up. But we did get kind of a high. It kind of like at the end of a giant candle. But that shows strength, dude. Look at that big green candle that it came off that. It came out of that 3 candles ago. It came out of the big green candle. And there's nothing saying
Right,
that couldn't
but
have just kept going.
my reservation was taking a call on at the end of a red
At the end of a
can,
red candle.
because to me that shows it's on a pullback. Sometimes you only get one candle of pullback. Sometimes you get 2 or 3. It just depends. But
no, I like those. I like when you get a big candle and you get like a little red half candle that's like just because it kept playing. That candle was red and green both times. It was like showing us that it was kind of wanting to go up.
So what is tomorrow's trade? Tell me.
You have to kind of take the trade when it's
going. Tell me the number.
What was that number? That was a
2065.
2065.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow's trade is 46.46.
46. I thought they were even numbers, or
sorry, hold on. Well, sorry. Well, 2065. Well, they are even numbers when we're just climbing. The first one's going to be even, then the rest, the martingales are going to be a little different.
46, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The first one will be okay. That makes sense.
That way, if we're just entering over and over again, but if we're martingaling 40, so we lost this one at 46.46.
That's what I got.
All right, Alejandro, let's see, man. 46.46.
All right, buddy. Have a good night, buddy. That's all right. We'll win it tomorrow.
You think?
I mean, yeah. If not, we'll win it the next day. That's the beauty of this, is that it's not going to beat us long term.
You don't think?
No, not if you're not playing guitar while we're trying to trade.
I'm not. That's not hurting nothing.
Well, explain the viewer in the chat saying, "Why is that man playing guitar? It's distraction."
Did he say that?
Made you look.
Are you serious?
No, I made you look.
Oh crap! Okay. Are you ready to release the 30th anniversary of Lost? Actually, it would be more like the 35th anniversary, wouldn't it?
Would it be the 35th? It was recorded in 95.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, is this 2025? Then yeah.
Do you still have it on CD? I do, somewhere.
Yeah, I do. Let's see what it says. Let's see what. How many years ago was 1995? Was that 30 years? No, it couldn't have been. Probably was.
Well, 2005, 2015.
Yeah, it'd be 30 years because that's about how long I've been a Christian. 30 years, dude. 30-year anniversary, man. Yes.
Came out like winter of 95 though, so it's actually a few months over
95. So I mean, well, yeah, but I mean, still, we're kind of in the ballpark, right? We're in the ballpark of
kind of, yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, I'm thinking about releasing it again. Through AI. So we're gonna have the band to be AI. We could probably do the guitar solos ourselves, but the vocals, everything else be AI.
I bet even as bad as I am these days at guitar, I could probably still play a better solo than I did then. Even though I was actually a better guitarist then by far than I was now. But I was very limited. Dude, John Watkins in the studio limited me on that end
What?
solo. He was like, I started shredding. He's like, no, he actually stopped the recording. It was like, no, does that have feeling? I still remember it, dude, because I was just shredding. You know, I was like, I'm gonna play fast. You know, I start shredding, and he stops the tape. Dude just stops the reel and was like, now does that have feeling? Like, he just wanted me to do some bends and stuff, and I'm like, dude, come on. You know, I just
You should be like, come on, you know I can't do bends. That's what you should have said.
Yeah, I wanted to like just tear it up, and he just wasn't having it. It's like, dude, whose album is this? Whose recording is it?
That's so funny, dude.
Yeah. How are you gonna have AI do the?
Oh,
do you have to tell them the chords and stuff, or
no, dude, dude. This new thing, you literally upload the recording. Like, I will upload the Somewhere Nowhere recording, and it will literally redo it, like freaking sound like a real band. And then you can stem it out, take out the vocals, take out the guitars, whatever. You could sing it yourself. Like, it's insane, dude. Can
you get like a James Hetfield to sing it?
Yeah. Well, probably, yeah, dude. We can say have it be like James Hetfield vocals, whatever. I'm getting ready to start releasing all my old stuff. Like I put Herman's Dew. You know how we were just so scratchy and crap? I put Herman's Dew in there, and it pops out this like Skillet sounding freaking rock band. Like, it sounds like a.
And is the recording quality like top notch?
It's as good as anything that's on Spotify right now. I mean, It's, you know what I mean? It's like, it sounds like crappy, you know, digital recordings.
Modern day digital recordings.
Yeah,
dude,
which suck.
It all died when analog went out. Dude, Dream Theater was like the epitome of good recording. Like, it was like the top notch recording sound, you know.
Oh, I agree with
you. They killed it when they did away with analog. Analog was in its prime, and they just annihilated it with these stupid VCR tapes.
Yeah, they pretty much screwed it all up. Yeah, I'm thinking though, let's do it, because I have to find I have the CD, and I know I put it on. I know I did it. I know I did it, dude. I know I downloaded it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I did it, but I can't. You know, I can't.
Well, that's pretty cool, dude. That's pretty cool.
You want to do it?
Yeah, dude. We should do it. That's pretty cool.
Like, just make the recording?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I've got the app. I'm paying for the pro version of it. Dude, I've uploaded like full versions of like my old recordings, and I'm telling you, it just turns them into. Yeah, it just turns them into like, and then you can tell it, like, make it, you can write in what you want, you know what I mean? You can write in, you know, like different stuff.
Yeah.
Like, you can say, like, I put in Lincoln Brewster guitar, you know, Lincoln Brewster's kind of a worship guitar. And so it started like shredding.
I know who Lincoln, what do you think, I'm a retard? I know who Lincoln Brewster is.
Yeah. Well, he started shredding once I put that in there.
Well, that's something he didn't do before then.
What, Lincoln?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, that guy can shred. Are you crazy?
Mm-hmm.
You are?
Mm-hmm. I mean, he's okay. He's not bad, but I thought he was a good guitar player. I didn't think he was like any Steve Vai.
He's not like Ingvar. No, he's not that. He's not that for sure. But he's definitely like.
I thought, like, speed wise. No, I mean, he's an all around way better musician than I've ever been. But But I mean, like, if you just put us next to each other in a shred competition, I think I would just play faster than him.
Well, probably, yeah. I would agree to that. He's not like Ingray type, shredder, like fast
Right.
or whatever. Know what I mean?
Yeah, I do know. Yeah, I do.
But the guy is he's pretty legit,
Yeah.
Hmm. Maybe we should not trade at 7:30 or 8 o'clock. I mean, it's 9 o'clock my time. It's a little bit like in a weird spot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like we're used to it. We got used to those late night charts. But it's kind of like it's. Maybe we shouldn't trade like that at that time. You know what I mean?
Maybe not. But I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? So I think, I wish I could find Somewhere Nowhere right now. If I could find it right now, I would just go for it. I can't. I did upload Somewhere Nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
So what, you don't think that you wouldn't have taken that trade tonight? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
I probably there's no way.
Would have. I mean,
If I
the
was
longer
sitting
you
there,
sit
if
there,
I was sitting there by myself, okay, and that would not have been anything that I would have had my eye on. No, but it's okay. I'm not worried about it. We'll get it back.
Well, remember you found it.
This is a slow burn. Yeah, well, maybe I did, but I found a ton of others that looked better than that.
You did? Oh, you did. Well, then just say, like, I don't like that one, because I'm looking at it like so many different things. I'm looking at it sort of in a different way, I think.
Well, I mean,
I need to find Somewhere Nowhere. I need to know where the Somewhere Nowhere is, though. Lost. Is it on my? Hold on. Is it on the Logic? It's got to be on this backup drive somewhere. It's got to be here somewhere. Somewhere in nowhere. I know I dumped it. Somewhere PG. Okay. Oh, somewhere pot. Oh. Well, you better start practicing if you think you're going to do some major, like, if you're going to redeem yourself from the suck fest you did back in high school.
Yeah.
You better.
Well, I got about 20 seconds worth of shred time before my arm goes and cramps up real bad.
I can't find it. I can't find the Somewhere Nowhere. Let's see.
So how do we record it?
Well, once I get it done.
Where do I record it?
Well, in fact, if I get the recording done before, I can just bring my laptop over and my pedal, and we could just do it at your house during Thanksgiving. Like we could just record your guitar parts.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I gotta go, dude. I gotta get off. Did we end the stream?
No, I don't think we ever did.
Oh.
We're still live. Yeah, the live button is still on. We've been talking about this whole time, but that's all right. I mean,
all right, guys. Look, dude, I totally forgot that we were on the stream. Like, that's hilarious.